In this video I will show you how to wire together lights and light switches in various ways. At the end you will get knowledge how to wire lights and light switches in your home. So let's start. All light circuit must have circuit breaker. In most cases type of circuit breaker is 10 amperes, B or C characteristics. Wire, which you connected lights and light switches, is 3 times 1.5 millimeters square. First and simplest way is, one light switch connected with lights. If we want to connect more than one light, all lights must be connected in parallel way, because in that way, voltage is the same on all lights. If we connected in serial, voltage is divided on all lights, and probably won't work. This is important thing to remember. So let's start. Electric current passes through circuit breaker, and goes directly to the light switch. Contact of the light switch are open and current can go further. When we turn on light switch, contact of light switch closes, and current goes toward lights, and lights start to work, emitting light. Another way is with two-way light switch. In this way we can turn on and off lights from two positions. Electric current goes towards P2 light switch and passes over closed contacts of P2 switch. Then goes towards P3 switch, and over closed contacts of P3 switch goes towards lights. And light starts to work, emitting light. If we want to turn off light we can press light switch P3. So if we want again turn on light, then we press P2 light switch. Next way to connect lights is three-way light switch. In this way electric current passes towards P4 switch and over contact of P4, goes towards P5 switch, and over contact of P5, goes towards P6 switch, and over contacts P6, goes towards lights. So if we want to turn off light, we press P5 switch. And if we want, again to turn on lights, we can press P4 or P6 switch. In this case we will press P4 switch. So, if we want again turn off light, we can press either P4, or P5 or P6 switch. In this way we can control light from 3 different places. Next way to control lights is with serial switch. In fact serial switch is 2 switch in 1. Mostly is used in rooms with lots of lights. So current goes towards P7 switch, then we press each half of P7 switch, and contacts of switch closes. After that current goes towards light, and light will turn on. I hope that this video is helpful to you, so let's turn off lights. Please share video, like and subscribe.